Installed the door panels, it's sound deadener inside the car, put a new carpet in, finished off the dash. We put some gauges in from Dakota Digital. We put a custom auto sound audio system in it, added power windows, put a new headliner in it. And before you know it, the car was pretty much done. But one of the best parts about this project was to be able to present it to the owner and his family at the Muscle Car and Corvette National Show in Chicago. Now, the Muscle Car and Corvette Nationals, to me, is the best muscle car show in the world. It's an indoor show. It happens in November in the Chicago area every year. It's full of invitational displays of super, super high-end, ultra rare muscle cars that come from all over the country, even different countries, to be on display. It's something special for sure.